The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, it had came to my attention that a dancehall artist who goes by the name of Beenie had fainted at his mother's funeral. Now, according to a news article that I saw about the incident, it is said that this had happened on the 25th of October 2020, somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, there's also videos circulating on social media about the incident, you see me? And, I'm going to present one of these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and get a better understanding about what had happened. Is what I'm saying to you. Viewers and subscribers, I also saw comments that had been made on social media about one of these videos, you see me? And it is said that Beenie Man was not the only person who had fainted at the funeral, you see me? Now, as I am about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Viewers and subscribers, I did some research to find out if Beenie Man is okay or not, but I got no confirmed information about Beenie Man's condition. But you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video if I get any confirmed information about Beenie Man's condition. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, if I get any confirmed information to determine if Beenie Man is okay or not, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video, alright? And I want you to please bear in mind that there might be more information about what had happened at Beenie Man's mother's funeral, alright? And I want to send condolences to the friends, the families, the loved ones of Beenie Man's mother, and also Beenie Man as well, is what I'm saying to you. And in my point of view, losing a loved one is never easy. Here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Skilla, big up on yourself. You see it.